Hey there, it's Amy from greenlivingnow.com. Coming to you from our organic farm under snow here in Vermont on February 13th, Friday the 13th. Have you ever stood in your kitchen and thought, should I be cooking in this type of pan? Or is it okay to use a microwave? Or how am I storing my food? Is this really safe? And so many other questions that we're confronted with each day and wondering, what's the healthy choice and what are the priorities? What should I be paying attention to as opposed to, overstressing? And how much should I throw away and replace? How do I even think about these choices? That's one of the things that I think nobody else is really talking about. You can Google and you can check ChatGPT and ask all kinds of questions about replacements for toxic products, and hopefully you get good information. But they're not really helpful as far as helping you think about the questions to ask. So, for example, I go to Costco once a month and they have a lot of organic food. I love this organic frozen broccoli that they have, but I opened it and I saw that it was packaged in plastic bags, and it said on the bag to microwave or put in a hot pot of boiling water. And I'm thinking, why the heck would I do that to my healthy broccoli? Doesn't make any sense to me. So because I've been doing this for over 33 years, I have learned all kinds of tips on what to use in the kitchen, how to make these decisions so that you don't drive yourself crazy and waste a lot of time and money. And so I want to share that with you guys. And it's going to be a quick 5-day experience. The first day, March 16th, we'll start with a live call on Zoom for whoever can make it. If you can't make it, no problem. There'll be a recording. And then there'll be 5 days of short emails that'll have like a 10-minute video and some accompanying text and some suggestions that I'll offer based on my own experiences and research. And I'm doing this for the first time, so it's going to be at quite a discounted price. It's only going to be $39. And if you act by this Sunday, so today's Friday the 13th, if you act by Sunday the 15th at midnight Eastern time, I'm going to throw in a special bonus. I'm going to go to my mainstream supermarket and videotape the process that I go through when I'm looking at the things on the shelves, trying to decide what to buy and what not to. And so that will really help you see what it's like to put all this stuff into real life action. And the other thing that I'm going to include in this 5-day experience is if you live with people that don't necessarily share your desire to live a non-toxic life, maybe they don't think it's that big of a deal, I'll have tips for you on how to deal with that. So if this resonates with you and you feel like you want to jump on, I would love to have you participate. So you check out the link below, and I'll see you on the 16th.